So, practice problem. Kayo naman sasagot. 26 times 11. Anong sagot mentally? 286. So, bali guys, meron tayong 2, tsaka 6. Then yung middle niya, easy add lang natin yung 2 tsaka 6. That is 8. That's correct. Next. Let's say 41 times 11. Ewan ko na lang, hindi mo ito ma-master, no? So, meron tayong 41 times 11. Ganun pa rin gagawin. So, yung 4, tsaka 1. Add lang natin. Yung 4, tsaka 1, magiging 5. So, magiging 451. Next, 53 times 11. Galing mo naman. So, ito guys, yung 53 natin, lagay natin 5 tsaka 3. Then yung middle, add lang natin sila. So, magiging 582.